Good morning. Our topic for this week is rounding off and arranging numbers. Our objectives are rounding numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. The second one is order numbers up to 100,000 in increasing or decreasing order. What is increasing order or least to greatest? It is arranged from the smallest to the largest number. Example: 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. That is an example of increasing order or least to greatest. It arranged from the smallest to the largest number. Example: arrange the number from least to greatest. So we have 10,458, 8,908, 45,645, and 12,904. So let us arrange this into least to greatest. Let's see. 8,908, 10,458, 12,904, and 45,645. So it arranged from least to greatest or increasing order. Another example. We have 67,098, 208, 340,567, 999, 104,234. Now let us arrange into increasing order or least to greatest. 208, 909, 67,098, 104,234, and 340,567. Now that is how we arrange the number into increasing order or least to greatest. Another, decreasing order or greatest to least. It arranged from the largest to the smallest number. Example. So that is the example of decreasing order. We start from 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. Let us have this example. So we have 6,890, 10,000, 905, 12,904. Now let us arrange this into decreasing order or from greatest to least. What do you think is the answer? Okay, 12,904, 10,000, 6,890, and 905. So that is arranged from greatest to least. Another example. 67,098, 208, 340,567, 999, and 104,234. Now, let us arrange that into decreasing order. What do you think is the answer? Let us see. 340,567, 104,234, 67,098, 999, and 208. Now, That is the answer. That is how we arrange the number into decreasing order. Let us have learning task number 1. It is in your module. Select the number which are not arranged in the required order. So you are going to select the number that is not arranged into required order. So number 1 we have here, least to greatest. So you are going to check if this number is arranged from least to greatest. If this is correct, you are going to check. Or if this is wrong, you are going to put an X. Next, number 2, greatest to least. Check if the number is correct. Then number 3, least to greatest. Again, you're going to check if the number is correct. Learning task number 2. Arrange the numbers from greatest to least. Write your answer in your notebook or in this module. So we have here 5 numbers. So you are going to arrange that into greatest to least. Write your answer here. Learning task 2. Arrange the numbers from greatest to least. Write your answer in this blank. Learning task number 3. Arrange the following sets of a number in increasing order. Write your answer in your paper. So you are going to arrange this into increasing order or from least to greatest. Learning task number 4. Arrange the following sets of a number in decreasing order. Write your answer in your paper. So in learning task number 4, you are going to arrange these following numbers into decreasing order or from greatest to least. Learning task number 5, select the number which is not arranged in the required order. So you are going to check if the arrangement is correct in every required order. Now let us come to rounding number to the nearest thousand and nearest 10,000. Now, how can we round numbers? The following are the steps on how to round off numbers to given place value. Observe when to be rounded up and rounded down. The first step, look at the value of a digit to the right of the digits to be rounded off. Okay, so you are going to find first the place value of each number. If the digit on the right is equal to or greater than 5, increase the digit by 1. If the digit is less than 5, retain the digit as it is. So, if the number or digit on the right side of a number is from 1, 2, 3, 4, that is rounded down. So you are going to retain the number. And if the number is greater than or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is rounded up. You are going to add 1. Then number 3, then replace every digit to its right 0. Okay? So that is the 3 steps in rounding numbers. Okay, so we have here a poem, the rounding poem. Find your number, look right next door. 4 or less, just ignore. 5 or more, add 1 more. Let us have this example. So we have 23,945. So the first step is, we are going to find first the place value of each number. We have 2, 3, 9, 4, and 5. So that is ones, that is tens, that is hundreds, that is thousands, and this is 10,000s. So that is the place value of each number. So, we are going to round off to the nearest thousand. Now, nearest thousand. What number is under 2,000s? So as you can see, 3 is in thousands, place value. So we are going to round it off 3. $23,945. So under the place value of thousands, we have 3. Now you are going to see the number right from the 3, which is 9. So, 9. Is that a rounded up or rounded down? Now let's see. 9 is rounded up. So you are going to add 1 to 3 and it becomes 4. The numbers from the right of our rounded numbers becomes 0, 0. So the answer is, okay, 24,000. 3, it becomes 4 because 9 is rounded up. So you're going to add 1. And the rest, the 9, 4, 5, it becomes 0 now. Okay? The next. Another example. 54,945. So, let's see the place value of each number. Okay, 5 is ones, 4 is tens, 9 is hundreds, 4 is thousands, 5 is 10,000s. Now, let us see what number that we are going to round off. Round off to the nearest 10,000s. So, what number that is in 10,000s? So, as you can see, in the place value of 10,000s, we have 5. Now, we are going to round off the place value in 10,000s. Okay, 54,945. So, 4 is round down, so you are going to remains it. The numbers from the right of rounded numbers become 0, 0. So, as you can see here, the number right beside 5 is 4. 4 is round down, so 5 is remain. You are not going to add 1. It remains because 4 is rounded down. Then, these 3 numbers, it becomes 0, 0. Now, what do you think is the answer? Okay, so we have 50,000. So, that is the answer. Let us have this another example. So we have a number here, number 1, 25,734. 54,234. So we are going to round it to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. In the first column, thousands. So let us round it up to the nearest thousands. Number 1, 25,734. under the thousands, we have 5, right? So we are going to round it off. So in the right side of 5 is 7. So 7 is rounded up. So we are going to add 1 to 5. Now, 5 becomes 6. So now, what is the answer? Okay, the answer is 26,000. The next, 10,000s. 10,000s, in the place value of 10,000s is 2. So, the right side, the number that is in right sides of 2 is 5. So, 5 is rounded up. So, again, you are going to add 1 to 2. So, 2, it becomes 3. So, now, let us see the answer. Okay, so we have 30,000. Another example, 54,234. 4 is in the place of thousands. So we are going to see what is in the right side of 4. So we have 2. 2 is rounded down. So 4 is remain. So what do you think is the answer? Okay, 54,000s. Next, 10,000s. Under the 10,000s, we have 5, right? 5. At the right side of 5 is 4. And 4 is rounded down. Now, 5, it is remains. Now, what do you think is the answer? Let us see. Okay, 50,000s. Okay. In your module, you can see the learning task 6 and learning task 7. Round the following numbers to the nearest tens and hundreds. Write your answer here in this blank. Okay? Then learning task 7, round off the actual price and write the figures on the appropriate column. Write your answer in this blank. Learning task 8, round off the following underlined digit to the nearest place value. So you are going to round it off the number that is underlined. Okay? In number 3, we're going to underline number 6. Learning task 9. Write the letter of the correct answer on your notebook. Learning task number 9. Write the letter of the correct answer in your notebook. Or you're going to encircle the correct answer.